Hey all you YouTubers out there, this is Rick with Hit and Run Candlesticks. I just wanted to drop you a quick little note here before I get into the trading room today and we look at some stock picks for our Wednesday watch list. If you could do me a favor, if it's not too much trouble, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. It's free, doesn't cost you anything. If you'd like to have alerts when we put a new video up, click that bell. Even if you've subscribed, if you go in there and click that bell, then you'll get alerts. Another little favor I'd like to ask is if you find our videos helpful, we would appreciate a thumbs up. Really, that's the only way we know if the YouTube is, or if our video is doing okay or you like it. And by the way, if you would like to see something else in the video, please let us know. Are they too long? Are they too short? Is the information, do you want more information, less information? Let us know the information you'd like. If you just take a minute and do that, you can type it in the notes down below. I will read it. And if we need to make adjustments to the video, I most certainly will do that. Anyway, this is Rick with Hit and Run Candlesticks. In just 1 minute or less, we're going to start taking a look at some trade ideas for our Wednesday watch list. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it. Hope this helps. Hey, everybody, and good morning again. This is crazy. I just did the pre-market chat in the trading room. We looked at the trade ideas, and I forgot to turn the recorder on. Jeez, what a guy I am. So what I'm going to do is just go through it really quick here. Hopefully it'll be a real fast video. So for the market, the SPY, we're opening up pretty decent here. I'm really going to want the market up over 466.20 here to really give us that good bullish incentive. We start shooting below that, we're going to start seeing that 20-day period moving average come into play, and we'll start looking for shorts from that area right there. Really quick here, like I say, I can't believe I just did this in the trading room, and I can't believe I didn't turn the recorder on. So XPEV, this is one I really like this chart. I came so close to buying this yesterday. But I didn't. So what I'm looking for is a buy on this breakout. Looks like we have a breakout up here. So I'd like to buy that. A lot is going to be dependent on what the overall market does. I'm going to need to see some bullish. I'm not going to buy something long if the market is trash. And right now, the market is still trash. So a buy up in here for me would be just fine. I'm looking at 53.60 for a stop. If this pulls back just a little bit, I would be happy with that, and I'll certainly look for buying in there. Another one I'm looking at is PLBY. PLBY has a very nice bottom right here. Created a very nice bottom in PLBY, and we've got a beautiful J-hook set up, looking for that breakout, looking for about 50 bucks as a target. I have no problem buying in this area, and I will also look to buy on that breakout. So we could just put something like that right in there. However, I am going to wait to make sure that the market is doing well. Now, the first 5 minutes of the market, you can't tell what the market's doing first 5 minutes. So top of the hour, half an hour, maybe even an hour before I even consider placing a trade. And I'm not worrying about missing anything because there's always a trade out there. I've got XLE here. I'll consider buying XLE above 57.25. Another reason I have XLE is I could sit here and we could talk about 30 different oil companies, but that just takes up a lot of time. Right here, if XLE starts to produce, believe me, there's going to be some oil companies they're going to be worth a trade. So if XLE starts working, then I'll know to go to the live trading alert scanner and look at some oil companies. FSR. Now this is definitely hot on my watch list here. I like the way it's opening up on an inside day. I'll also like if it starts to break out. Right in there, I think, is a sweet buy spot with about 21.20 as a stop. Most everything I'm going to look at today will be bought near the T-line, and I'll be able to use the T-line as a guideline for a stop. I may not use the T-line to the penny because I'm also going to incorporate a little bit of price action in there along with it. Apple. Thank goodness for Apple. If it did not hold up yesterday, well, I'm afraid that the market might have been worse off. The Apple nearly held this market up all by itself. So far pre-market, we've got a breakout on Apple. I'm looking for a buy up there in Apple. Whether or not it's today, I can't say because I'm going to watch price action. I'm going to make sure it meets all my qualifications. It's going to have to be in my buy area, not just going to chase blindly. So we'll wait for that. We'll watch what happens. And as always, to the members of Hit and Run Candlesticks, trial members as well, whenever we buy something or sell something or adjust a trade, we always post it in the room and on the members app. So if you don't have that app downloaded, I hope you get it. AMD, yeah, and the app's free, by the way. AMD here, that's setting up. I was in this yesterday. I closed it out just about this level right there, 162. A breakout over 162 might get me back in that. Also, if the market is still showing reasonably well, I might get back in it here on this trend line. But I'm going to really like that breakout here. Okay, there we go. Thanks, everybody. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching our YouTube video. And if you get a chance, remember, subscribe, click that bell to get alerts when we put a new video out, okay? Thank you very much.